Hey guys, we're looking at our 76 again. So I just rode it around the parking lot. I want to remind everybody, this is what you got to do with a shovel head. I don't care how good it looks. You got to, unless you're a perfect mechanic anyways, you don't know what the last guy did. So you got to give it a tune-up. If it's got points, you got to pull the weights out. You got to see if the weights got any wear. You got to pull the lifter blocks, see if your tappet roller's any good. Put new corks in the push rod tubes. They're almost always bad. When you go through the push rod tubes, the key to sealing them is to put two washers. Right here, there's a spring and a washer. You put a second washer in, then they seal. Without that second washer, they don't seal and they puke. It does thump a little bit, so that's check ball in the oil pump. Again, the rear chain does need to be adjusted. I noticed that the exhaust gaskets need to be replaced. This is starting to back off a little bit. You know what that means is when you put this together, your rear part of your pipe has to be completely loose. You tighten this up, don't over tighten it, you'll strip those threads, right? New washers, all that. And then if it's pulling on the exhaust at all, you got to use any spacers so that when you tighten it up, you're not pulling on the pipe because it'll pull this right out. That's the first mistake I did when I put Paco pipes on my brand new lowrider. Yeah, I didn't do that. So that's learning from experience. Experience will teach you. It can be very costly. So it's a shovel head. It's a shovel head. Go through it, tune it up, ride the fucking piss out of it. Again, it does need a kickstand spring. That means if you're in there, you already got the cover off, put all new gears in it. If it's got the later little needle washer for your throw out, always replace it because they go bad, the clips go bad, the thing implodes itself, and then you're dead in the water. All because you didn't fucking replace it. It's called maintenance. So if it does have a needle washer, when you go through the clutch, put a new needle washer in every fucking time. You got to maintenance these bad boys. But if you do the maintenance, they'll never leave you stranded. If you don't, you're gonna have nothing but breakdowns, because that's why they're called trouble heads, because people just can't fucking maintenance their motorcycle. So we're gonna take it up and down again. Kim back to Opie. There she is. It's a good running, needs to be breathed on, a little bit of love, a little bit of tune-up shovel head. If you maintenance it, I stress, if you maintenance it, not you take it to the mechanic and he hopefully does your maintenance, the bike will never let you down. If you take it to some other clown and they, oh yeah, give me money, oh, I was like, maintenance your bike, don't be surprised if it breaks you down on the road. Shovelhead requires that you be a good mechanic. So if you're mechanically inclined, you want to learn, you want to think on something, this bike is for you. Everybody. It will school you. It'll tell you where it wants to be. It'll tell you I love you. It'll tell you that was the wrong thing to do, pal, when you're stuck. Okay? It's all on you. See you guys.